So your Ford Edge, remote not working? Do you have to get closer to the vehicle? Maybe push the button multiple times. Maybe a daily response when locking and unlocking the vehicle, or needing to hold the remote to your start and stop button. Hey, stop worrying. Let's change that battery and see if that helps. There's a quick and easy step-by-step video on how to change your dead or weak battery, and all you need is a small flat tip screwdriver, your remote, and a brand new CR2045 battery. With that being said, you can leave your keyring on. Right here on the side, you have your emergency key release. Push that button down, and when you pull it apart, you will rotate it up. Key came out here. You see that indentation? Sometimes you can take the tip of emergency blade, insert it right in there, and push in. You hear the little pop. Gently twist it. Back cover didn't want to pop off. Don't worry, gently pry it away. Careful not to break the little tab right there. You see this battery popped up. Hey, don't worry. That was easy for us. Sometimes you'll open them up and it'll be seated in there. If you don't have a flat tip, you can tap it and it'll pop up. And if you don't want to, just take your flat tip screwdriver and gently push the battery to right there and it'll pop up. Take the remote, flip it over, and just lightly pop that battery out, and it didn't want to. As you notice right here, this is a CR2045 battery. I'm going to reuse this battery because this is a new remote. So let's go ahead and install it. Put the battery in. Back corner first, push down, latch it in. Take your top of the back cover. It needs to go in first and gently squeeze them together. Hey, if you found this video helpful, please like and share this video. And leave a comment below, and remember, let's stay safe out there.